Hi, I'm Ella, and here at Foodist Films, I'm the culinary creative.
Foodist Uncut. Foodist stuff behind the scenes, you know what it means.
Basically in charge of running the kitchen, getting the food ready, and buying the food, and cooking the food. Foodist tip, make your food pretty. If you're trying to eat healthy or just eating well at all, it's a lot easier to make or eat food that looks nice. Portion your food out, add a little cilantro or anything on top, maybe a squeeze of lime, maybe a little cracked pepper.
Who's this guy?
A tip about style.
The most important tip about styling.
Well, I think that it's different for Foodist styling because we just try to make sure that it's relevant to the video. Trying not to just use big chunks of things, like vary in size and shape and texture. Different clients have different types of styling. That's also part of the thing that we offered different amounts for different styling. So if they want it fuller or if they want it less full and more basic, that's a big part of it too. Oh, let's do a drizzle of honey at the end.
My favorite thing about working with Ella is the way she's taken ownership of the food part of the business, which may seem simple, but it's literally half of our space is dedicated to food, and somehow she's able to put all those pieces of the puzzle in the right place and make it work.
She always has a great story or little like quip, and she just gets really excited about stuff, and it's good energy to be around.
The amazing food she prepares. I mean, just look at this spread.
Okay, Foodist tip number 2. If you're cooking pasta or anything else that soaks up water, like beans, lentils, anything like that, salt your water. Very important step.
Why?
Because it soaks it up, so then you want to make sure that it's seasoned properly. I just like to make food pretty.